Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find all your projects in CapCut PC. So if you lost your project in CapCut PC, don't worry, it happens to all of us. And here I'm going to show you where all your projects are stored and how to find them instantly. So the first one is where to find the projects inside CapCut. So when you open CapCut, let's go back in here to the home page. You can just close it. So when you open CapCut, the first screen shows your recent projects. In here, you can just find your last open projects will be appear here. And you can also find your projects inside the space, inside your CapCut space. You can just click on here. In the left side, you'll see space. You can just click on it and you'll also see the projects saved or stored inside your CapCut space. But if you want to find the project folder on your PC, so what you need to do is just open the CapCut settings, click on the gear icon at the top, and then go to the settings. And in here under the draft, there will be this here. So this is where your CapCut project will be saved on your PC. You can open the file location by clicking on this folders icon in here. So this is where it will be saved to, download to, and screen recording here. And if you cannot find it here, the projects that you want to find, you can also find it on the trash folder. So you can just click on, let's go back to the CapCut PC homepage. And in here, you can click on this trash button. So this is where your CapCut PC that has been deleted, or maybe you accidentally delete one. If you want to recover it, you can just click on it and then here tap on this button to restore it. So it will be back to the CapCut PC homepage. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Now you know exactly where CapCut stores all your projects and how to find them every time. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one.